Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs here. We just had this 400 come in from California, and it came in just to get our lift kit and some tires put on it. And we ended up, I didn't have anything to do with it, but the customer decided, hey, I want wheels to go along with my tires and my lift. So we put our Westcott lift in this truck. It's got our 3-inch in the front. It's got our 1.25 in the back. We did some Method 312s on this in the bronze finish. And instead of Nitto Terra Grapplers on it, and a 285/70/17 on this. And I got Mike here with us that is in from California. He came, Mike, how far, where'd you come from?
From Oakland.
He's from Oakland, so the Bay Area. That's a pretty long drive to come down here and get his truck lifted and allow us to work on it. So hopefully when he drives home, he's gonna have a good ride and be excited about his drive home, and that his travels down here was worthwhile to have us work on his truck. So Mike, we appreciate you coming down.
Yeah,
we really do. You know, I hope you enjoy your time when you're down here this weekend and maybe get to explore a little bit with your truck. Or
I certainly
maybe
hope
you do,
so.
maybe you don't, but we hope you do. So again, thank you for watching, and if you need it, please reach out to us, all right? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.